viewers, you are welcome today to the GeoCAF channel. And in case you are new, GeoCAF is actually a research organization whose objective is actually to bridge the gap between the oil and gas industry amongst others. Alright, so if you are here to join our WhatsApp community where we send educational guides and updates that keeps you prepared for opportunities in oil and gas, do well to check the description under this video and click on the link that will lead you to our WhatsApp community. So today we'll be looking at how to import a very important data set, the Checkshot data set, which gives you a time-depth relationship. Alright, so to import our Checkshot, right, looking at the software already, we already have a number of logs imported and displayed under the well section window. To import your well Checkshot, you just have to come to your inputs pane under the Petrel software. Here you have your wells. Right click on your wells. The next thing is to select import on selection, after which you navigate to where your file is. Alright, so my file is already here. So you make sure that the file of type here is Checkshot format. There are a lot of data formats, a lot of file formats here. So make sure that you select Checkshot, right, which is what we want to import. So next thing that you select your Checkshot, then you open it. The next thing you want to do is to check your data set, check what you have in your data set. Now if you come here at the bottom of this dialog box, that is where you see your data displayed. You have two columns, two-way time and the major depth MD. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you let Petrel know that you are importing two columns and the first is two-way time and the second is MD. To do that, you have to align that here. Alright, so there are times that you might have more than one column here. So what do? You make sure that the number of columns here align with what you have in your data. So I have two-way time, which is this. So you make sure this is two-way time. Alright, the second is MD, which is this. The remaining two are not necessary. So what you do, you highlight both and you click on this button that says delete a column in the table to delete those two. So now we have informed Petrel now to know that we are only importing a data with these two columns. So next thing you want to do is to make sure that your number of header line is correct. I have one header line, two-way time and MD. Data starts from line 2. So I have one header line. So that is why the number of header line here has to be 1. Alright, so you make sure you connect to trace, meaning you should connect the data, Checkshot data, to the well that is associated with this Checkshot data. For this project is associated with well 1. That is why I'm connecting it to well 1. So make sure you do this. Alright, a lot of beginners make this mistake and at the end of the day they don't see this data reflect under the well. The next thing to do is to click on OK for all. Alright, then you click on OK for all again. So now we've imported our Checkshot data. Now to see data, so just come here, click on the drop down by your wells. Alright, so click on the drop down by your global well logs. Right here we have our well 1 Checkshot. So please, if you are yet to like this video and subscribe, please do it to click the like button and subscribe so that you can always get every video we'll publish here, to keep you abreast with necessary information that will help you prepare for opportunities in the oil and gas industry. So these are Checkshot data. You click on the drop down by your Checkshots. Click on this drop down, you see the information associated with it. We have our two-way time, we have our G, because essentially your Checkshot is data that has time and depth relationship. Alright, so if probably you want to enroll for full courses where you'll be opportune to learn how to maximize and utilize such data sets, right, and make well log evaluation, seismic interpretation, do well to check this description under the video. You also see a link to our courses. Click on that link and you can take advantage of that. Thank you so much.